Good morning, fam. Welcome back to my channel. If this y'all first time checking me out, it's your boy TYT, and I do all Grubhub, y'all. I just came out of Dunkin', just grabbed me a coffee, was chilling in the car, you know, waiting, and then I get one from Dunkin'. So it's 8:59, y'all, 9 o'clock. So first delivery of the day. Let's go. Yo, what the deal, family? So I'm out here in Santan Village. I'm in the Ville. This should look familiar to y'all, but anyway, it's 10:05. So I was hanging out in Queen Creek because that's where my last delivery was, and I sat there for like 40-something minutes and I didn't get nothing. So I headed out here, you know what I'm saying? But it's kind of crazy because as soon as I got out here, like this area is just like bright red or whatever, and I wasn't really getting anything until I got to Santan Village, and then it's raining, y'all. It's raining like a mug. I don't know if y'all can tell, but you know, I ain't no wicked witch, so I ain't gonna melt. But as soon as I got over here, I get a double order to Mesa. So look like I'm gonna be in Mesa today, y'all. Look like I'm gonna be in Mesa. So let's go. With all this with this rain, should be a good day, y'all. Who knows though? Yeah. See, this is why I don't like working in Mesa. Okay, so. 1 second. I am picking up at McDonald's for I gotta open the app for Emily. Yeah, and they saying that they don't have the order and they won't make it. So, and its breakfast is basically over. So can you resend it or what? Yeah, they don't have it, yeah. This is why you don't do lowball offers. Nothing. I wasn't talking to you, sorry. I'm still on hold with the thing, but anyway, this is that same McDonald's I came to on one of my earlier videos. I was just watching the video. Oh my gosh. This McDonald's, it's a problem, man. Yo, man, I'm at Denny's, y'all. I'm at a new Denny's though. Like I never even knew this Denny's was here, but it's in far north Mesa. So nice area. You know, if I could stay out here all day, it'd be cool. 202 is right there, you know. Then the Red Mountains is on the other side of the 202. So, it's 11:08. Delivery number, I don't know. Let's go. Yo, so it's 11:35. Man, it's a nice 88 degrees, rainy, windy. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm at a restaurant called Make a Mac.
And let me grab the drink.
And I'm picking up right now. So.
There you are. Got it. Thank you.
I forget how much this delivery was, but I'm out in Mesa, y'all. They should start coming in regularly now because it's after 11:30, man. So everything pretty much should be open. Let me finish this. I don't know where I'm going. All right. So, try to see if I can get some signage here. Make a Mac. Make a Mac. See, this is why I just go with the flow. At Cracker Barrel, y'all. It's 11.54. It's like $15 delivery. It's like $15 and something. $15 delivery. Delivery number 7. Let's go, y'all. Let's get it. Yo, I'm out here, man. I'm at EG's like a mug. Hey, it's raining like a mug, y'all. Man, look at my shoes. Hey, but you know what? It will rain. You know, there will be pain. Troubles will come. You just got to understand, this is what it is. Let's go. Yo. So, I'm at this place. Of course, I ain't finna try to say the name. So, anyway, man, I got a double order from here. It's 109. 109. Let's go. Delivery number 9 and 10. Yo, what the deal, family? Man, I'm tired as hell. I don't know what the hell, but it's 2:15 right now. I'm picking up at Philadelphia Sandwich Company, and I got a double order, y'all. I got a double order like a mug, so it's like delivery number 12 and 13. So let's go. Yo, what's good, fam? So I just picked up at Fat Willie's. Now I'm going to my house. It's the name of a restaurant, to pick up. I got a double order, man. $16 delivery. I'm out here in Gilbert, y'all. It's 3:27. Beautiful day outside. So I'm gonna get this order and holler at y'all in a minute, man. Yo, it's dinner time, baby, and I'm at KFC. I'm back in Santan, y'all, man. You know, for the dinner rush. It's 4:32. I got 15 or 16 deliveries out, so I just say this delivery number 16, man. Let's go. Let's see what this dude on this weekend. Let's see what this guy doing this weekend. What?
I'm just on my walk for the now. We got some rain, you know.
Sox win. Yeah, man. I'll let my dad real quick. Yo, so I just left my dad's house. You know, I was there for about 20 minutes or whatever. Didn't get anything. So then I go by Walmart, sit there for about 5 minutes. Then now I got this $5 McDonald's, y'all. It's not far, it's just right here. So let's see on this Saturday night if I can get some better orders, man. You know, I mean, I would think that I would be almost done or close to 200 by now, but it just slowed down on me. Yeah, ho. What the deal, fam? Man, I'm out here, man. It's 5:51 right now. I'm at Filiberto's. Y'all see me, man. I'm out here. This is delivery number 7, number 18. So I'm just grinding, man. I'm grinding. Yo, so I'm just leaving Filiberto's, man. It's 6:17. 6:17. I got there at 5:50. 5:50 something. And I'm sitting there. Then I go up to the thing and I'm like, what's going on? And then she just put the order in then. Yo, what's good, fam? Man, it is 7:46. I haven't done a delivery since that Filiberto's. Now the Filiberto's delivery was like right down the street from my house, so I went home for like 2 seconds. You know what I'm saying? And then came back out. Actually scheduled myself for another block, so I was at home like 6:30. So then I scheduled myself from that time till 9, and this is my first delivery that I'm getting. But anyway, I'm at Red Robin. Yeah. So let me go get this food. Yo, I'm at Pizza Romano like a mug, y'all. It's 8:12. Delivery number 21. Man, it's been a struggle, man. But here I go. Yo, so I'm at Cafe Rio like a mug, y'all. Delivery number 23. It's 9:08. You know what I'm saying? It's a $17 delivery, man. $17, you know what I'm saying? So this one will push me over 200, you know? Let's go.